Igbo making a Kwenu, Evangelist Ebuka Obi Ndigbo, Anambra State, for the opening of the old people's retirement home and psychiatric hospital, the first in history that has been ever happened in Nigeria, in Africa, and Southeast Nigeria and Igboland as a whole. And Governor Soludo is coming to Guinea to inaugurate it. So, okay, hi, Nekumakia. Peter Obi, in this video, Peter Obi, some of the people that came to the airport to welcome Ebuka Obi in Anambra State. Peter Obi, so his legacy in Anambra State is still notable to today. Not ago. And one thing again that I felt bad in Anambra State news on for this week, but Anambra State, which has to be the first in education level in Nigeria, is now ranked 33 in the regime and in the office of somebody who said that he's a professor. In other words, again, na Anambra na Babu first in a school. Manaketa Anambra is rated at 33. Medunum Peter Obi, a businessman. Manaketa onye season of professor. Professor. Ka Anambra na agbaze 33 na his regime. Most times you need the video of throwback of Nigeria state and country, some of the things or na adizika Ndigbo akayi nketa hame enjoyment or na adizika our former days okazim makali aketa. Take your time, the nature ihe niile me Mgbegbo, the nature all those videos, pictures. In any phone, these people, they are living happily, peacefully, and enjoying life. By phone Dutch everywhere and name enjoyment, you gonna flow. These are our former days. On our case, the current so say hi the moment, some of the force the moment is internet, data, and smartphone. That is all. And the case alopota in a kidney. From mother will kai mix kai hot to shinap on kawini she rice. So say I kind of so the only thing I need engineer he says I hear I wonder I walk popo and CFE eyes. What those so say I kind of engineer.
Okay, wonderful people all over the world. Our great prophet is here live in Aguleri Airport.
Kali, welcome. Thank you. Welcome.
So your life here, oh my goodness. History is about to be made today in Igboland and Unfiltered. A lot of people are here. And may you support
Why city?
here with us.
Our special director, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, they are live. Are you live? Are you live? Please cut. Are you live? Don't be yourself. It's a bad signal for us, please. Are you live? If you're live, cut. Don't get me.
Okay.
Well done.
Wow, this is amazing. We're heading out now. Wow, this is a daddy. The governor's record. They're coming.
This is our special director. Our daddy is a lot. You're welcoming me. Sorry.
so excited to
This is my first time in this
You're super excited.
Prophet of our time. Welcome, sir.
And is also here with us, and lots of entourage and people of Imo State who are also here to celebrate their own. And this is beautiful and amazing. So we are going. That's the prophets like no other. Show me your prophet. It's about to go down, taking quite a beautiful attire, representing the Igbo culture. It's so amazing. It's a gracious day, and we are so excited to have you in our midst today in Anambra State. The light revelation. Wow, amazing. And here we are. And again, this is where we are. It's so amazing. Because history has been made in Anambra State Aguleri, the light of the nation, and you can see Madam Magaji with us to support and brother. Oh, that's so sweet.
Don't forget.
It's an amazing moment. We are live at the International Airport. So guys, it's about to go then. It's so great to be here today. It's an amazing day today. We are still live at the international local airport, domestic airline, and
come off here now.
It's really amazing. It's amazing. saying welcome Prophet Ebuka Obi. It's an amazing moment. So we are grateful. Sorry. Excuse me, sir. Sorry, ma'am. Yeah, I would like to ask, how do you see the project being done?
I'm going there now.
Okay.
All right, money, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay. When we get there. All right. So he says when we get there, we can have it done. It's really beautiful. Oh. So we are still here.
Ultimate choose.
Oh, one of my friends who were a few stations about
You will address
Sorry, sir.
No, I know we are fast, but this is my little So what would you describe today? What would you describe today?
It's a special day.
Okay.
It's a day of hope. A day to believe that Nigeria can still get better. Anambra will get better and better and better. It's a day of hope, a day of fulfillment. What is happening today is my childhood dream and vision. I always dream, I always vision. There will be a time that I will have a free hospital for mental challenged brothers and sisters. You know, I grew up seeing some mental challenged people moving on the streets, the market squares, in different streets, different states. So it has always been my joy to have a big facility. So my vision and my goal to build a big hospital for them is actualized today. So I am happy to be here in Anambra. I remember that a few months ago, we went to Imo State and His Excellency, the Governor of Imo State, Governor Obama was present to commission our free orphanage and free elderly people home. And today, we are still here in Anambra today to commission free psychiatric hospital and elderly people home. And we are hoping that Professor Charles Soludo, the current governor of Anambra, will still be here to commission it. So it's a dream come true.
What are the services that will be receiving from this hospital?
So
can you tell us the services we'll be receiving from the hospital or either the old people's home? And how it will affect the society? The impact.
So many. If you go to Ngurichi as an example, we have been picking some abandoned kids on the road. So, a lot of people are benefiting, and they will keep benefiting. We are moving. The governor of Imo State gave us the right to pick any abandoned child anywhere, and the police is helping. So many kids have been rescued. Even some parents that want to sell their own children, we rescue those children. So a lot of things happen in Imo State, and we're starting from Anambra also.
So since the construction and building of the facility, a lot of people have been coming to, even we witnessed some people who came to say they want to bring people there. When are you officially receiving people? When will you start?
After we commission today, after the inauguration today, sorry, by next month, then the operation will kick off because we want to finalize our doctors and nurses within this month. So from next month, official operation will kick off. But today we are doing the inauguration of the facility.
So you talked about that the hospital is free and then the old people's home is free. So how do you intend to maintain or run the facility?
Free. Nobody will pay shish 1 kobo. In Imo State, nobody has ever paid 1 naira. In Anambra here, nobody will pay 1 naira. But we are not starting from rich family that have some mental challenges. We are starting from those abandoned brothers and sisters on the street. We are starting from them next month. It's free of charge. Anyone that is willing to support is willing. Anyone that is not willing, we don't.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Yes.
What is that?
We will make here anyway. Not your party that couldn't come in. Daddy, this is the MD of the airport. Okay, please, let's speak.
Wait.
Excuse, sorry. All right, we are about to take a leave from the
Let this man enter.